Have you ever wondered, from the greatest storms in this universe to a tiny, humble atom, what is that one law that rules them all? Just by rubbing a balloon on a sweater, your hair starts dancing in the air. Is this some kind of magic? No, this isn't magic. This is the magic of physics. The year was 1785. A man named Charles-Augustin de Coulomb shook the foundations of the scientific world with his, quote, torsion balance. He measured that very power we call electrostatic force. The most powerful way to understand this is Coulomb's law. This isn't just a formula. It is the invisible hand of nature that connects every single particle of this universe. Its mathematics is simple, but its impact is lethal. If two opposite charges come close, it's attraction, love. But if they are the same, it's repulsion, conflict. Listen closely. The greater the charge, the more massive the force. But as the distance between them grows, this power slips away like sand through your fingers. In simple words, as distance increases, the strength decreases. This is the invisible math that holds everything in its place, from molecules to the distant stars. When you bring a balloon near your hair, that invisible pull between them bears witness to this very law of the universe. The world of electrostatics holds thousands of secrets. Within this seemingly small pull, the power of the entire cosmos is hidden. Would you like to see this invisible power even more closely? Are you ready to dive deep into the science behind that invisible hand?